Mommy, come on!
You better hurry.
Oh no!
What? What the indeed?
Is it set to not?
No.
Is there like a setting? A less?
Did we get a defective Dave?
Oh, we need to hurry!
Oh! We got a defective mommy. Hold on. Let's start over. I didn't do it right. Ready? Go.
Hurry, we need to hurry this up! I need to hurry this whole thing!
She's so tired. She's like leaning herself back against the couch to have a nap.
No! Oh no! We need to hurry! Mommy, do it with me!
I can't. It's a one-person game. Oh, he's getting pretty good at it.